Hey, today I'm going to do a quick side-by-side comparison with these two different cat water fountains. So we have the Papifeed on the left and the DownyPaws on the right. I'm going to show you all the similarities, differences, pros and cons, and overall which one I prefer. So first off, one of the key differences is the amount of stuff that they come with. So the Papifeed comes with 2 extra filters here, an extra sponge for the pump, and then a brush, and also a way to plug it in if you want to. So these are both run with a battery. This has an adapter to plug in, which you just connect to the side of it right there, and then you can have that option to plug it in. Whereas talking about this one, it does not come with any replacement filters. All it comes with is a brush to clean it with, and here it is. So it just comes with a brush to clean it with. That's just like this one, but this one is rechargeable. So this battery pack thing comes with a cord, and it's just a USB-C cord right here that you can actually plug it in and charge it. And so far, very happy with both of these. And I'll also just show you how they actually work. So this one, the battery, this one takes 4 AA batteries. Let me just show you. So they go in right here. So four AA batteries. And then this thing, the thing that I like about it as well, is that it kind of slides in. So let me just remove. So you can plug it in right there. This is where you plug in the power. Another thing too is that this cord, you run it through the top and then through this little like channel here that's separate, so it's not going to get wet. And then it has the little part to slide this in, which is really nice. And then the button, you can change to different settings. I think when it's plugged in, you have more options, like with a timer and stuff. But very cool. And the actual assembly is very easy. So both of them are going to be pretty much the same for the assembly. You put in the filter, and for this one, it's just underneath this layer. Well, first you want to soak the filter for 5 minutes, and then this one is on this side right here. It's just this one right here. Soak it for 5 minutes, and then go ahead and assemble it. And once you're done, you can start to fill it up to like at least the minimum line. And for this one, it's on the side. So you can see the max and the minimum, and then you can go ahead and turn it on. So for this one, you just hold it down for 2 seconds. This will be to turn it off. Then it has a little beep, and then it also has a different mode. So it'll start with the motion sensor. So when it goes on, it goes for 20 seconds, whereas this one, when it goes on, it shows a blue light, and it only goes for 6 seconds. So that's a big difference. I actually prefer a shorter one, because 20 seconds just seems like a long time. I think even 6 to 10 seconds, but they both are very good with the motion sensor. As you can see, they'll just constantly turn on. As you see, that one just barely ended, but it's already starting again. So you can also set this one to a timer. So what the timer means is it goes on for 20 seconds, but then it also has a 15-minute interval. So it'll turn off for 15 minutes and then another 20 seconds and turn off. But I just prefer the motion sensor on both of these because it's just super convenient, super nice, because anytime our cat walks up to take a drink, it'll just turn on for him. So another thing I wanted to talk about is the way that I refill both of these is a little bit different. So instead of taking the whole thing over to the sink, which can be messy because of the pump that's hanging down, you take off the lid and you might spill water all over. What I do instead is I just fill up a cup with water, and then I go ahead and pour it directly in through the top. And that's what I do for both of these as I'm refilling them. It might be a little bit more tedious, but I think it just makes it a lot less messy, and it's just the way that I prefer to refill them. So overall, these both are great options, and I think if I had to pick one, I would go with the DownyPaws. Just slightly beats out the Papifeed, but I think they're both great options for different reasons.